Hello and welcome. My name is Nilaus and this is episode 118 of Marathon Automation, Angels Mods, Bob's Mods, and lots and lots of craziness. And we will be going into the stuff that most people will find most crazy about Bob's Mods, and that is the beacons or modules. So let's build the modules. This one I have to repurpose you. Sorry, but you're not going to be there. You're going to be, I don't know, this one maybe? I'm going to take all the wood out. There. And then I'm going to take this one and say -10. Got it. And this one will then change name to gems. Good. And the cap here will be definitely just be 1000. And then we take it here. So let's get all of these in. I'm going to do something a bit different here because I wanted to see if I can make a combined. Hold on. It should actually be 1500. There's no point in completely overdoing this. I like 15,000. I think 1500 is still a pretty decent amount to request. And then I switch it on. 90 stacks. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. I wanted to see that it would generate something that was it. And that means now I have this. Now I need to go in and work on all the other stuff I need. Oh, let me get in here. All right. So first things first, what do we need? We need, let's have a look at this one. This one requires still only Mark II. That, if you look at the productivity processor board, that's where I need the productivity processor board. CPUs, solders, integrated electronics. I have that module processor board. I have the module logic board. Don't have the module processor board. It's a bit silly. It's exactly the same things. It's just higher quantities. So I'm going to take this exact one and plop it down there. Because why not? That must be exactly what you wanted. And oh, these have to change. Where are you? Okay, they're slightly different. Slightly different. And I will also need some more power ports. Why do we have these bad power ports actually? That MK1 power ports, then let's get those into better power ports. Cool. Right. So all of this works. All of these are working. They are just not able to put it out there because it's not the right module board. Copy, paste. This one. Copy, paste. Cool. And I need that guy. Cool. All right, so that's that taken care of. And what else? That's the module board. Now I can actually start making all this. Cool. That happens over here. That'll be kind of pathetic that I don't build those, but okay. So that's going to be exactly the same as this, except none of these. Why only 5? Is it only 5? Knew I didn't have enough of these. And this one, it's titanium gear wheels. All right, let's just grab a bit more titanium. Okay, that's fast enough. And I'll just build this one because then I'm happy. Okay. You are going to change. into. That one's going to change as well to green. And the pink one. Wow, this is going to strain a lot on our production here. And here I'll just do this one, but I will not make any requests. No. They all require the same, right? I guess so. Copy, paste. Let's see, what are the numbers? 400 for each? Yeah, let's take 400 for each. It's only once I have to set it up, and then for the rest, I'll just see it run. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Yep. And this one, of course, also needs to be updated. Copy, paste. Paste. So that's 1,000 of those. I love the fact that I can build things in very large scale here. This one is, for some reason, still able to produce. Shouldn't those be... Okay, that's Bobmonium. Bobmonium is still doing great. Yes, this one. Cleansing. And this one is also going to do the cleansing. And the last one. That is just for show. But anyway, why would I want a pollution producing item? So, we are having these. Why are you so damn busy? What are they used for? See, that's idle. That one's idle. What the hell is that used for? I don't get it. Anyone being picked up? Anything being picked up? No. Anything being picked up? No. Okay, so it's just rounding it off, I guess. Cool. So that means now I have the module board. Then I can go to this location. You can go away. And there I'll be... This is where I'll be. Here. And... So, wow, that's a lot of recipes, or a lot of things in here. 5, module 5. Okay, they just take progressively longer time. 5, copy, paste, 5, 5. Okay, let's see how this one is. This is 20 for that. This one goes to 20. And the rest goes to what? 200. Which is a single stack. And here, yeah, 200 for everything else. That one could probably be 400. Look at that, we have better modules. Nice. But that's not going to be all, is it? Because I will be needing even better modules. Now the whole thing goes crazy. Whoops, and they cannot put them in here, right? That one needs to be a module 5. Module 5. Copy, paste. Really? 20? 50. Copy, paste, paste. That looks like this is marked to 20, this is marked to 50. That's pretty bad. That was a bit of a mistake. I wonder if anyone has noticed that. What about these? They're 20 and they're 20. It's probably fine. They're going to be so slow that it doesn't matter. It's these ones that are in trouble. Copy, paste. So, 20. Whoops. 20. And you will be capping Mark 6. And that's Mark 6. Cool. And why don't I... Actually, I think I'll cap these ones to 20 now. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Why am I copying, constraining it to 20? Well, since those are just intermediates, I don't need to stockpile them. I just need enough to branch them over here, which means this one is also 20 because it's again an intermediate. Everything except the last one is an intermediate. There. And boom. Ah, perfect. And here I'll be doing number 7. Mark 7. There. Okay, okay. Anything? Yes, these guys. 7. And this guy is also being kept. I foresee that it's going to take a bit of time to get everything stockpiled here. And 200. Cool. That was that one. And here we have the last one. This one will definitely be speeding up somehow. How come you have so many? You're constrained 20, 20, 20, 20. How the hell do you have 200 then? Okay, I don't get it. It is also a bit exceptional to have this many. But whatever, they don't cost anything. Right? Let's see. That's capped. Oh, okay, that's capped. The wrong one, I guess. Here. This is 8. Yep. Copy, paste. And I'll just take all of these things that I have no idea what I should do with and send them back into the network. Anything else? It looks like it belongs in, yeah, these guys. I'll also remove that. Okay. So at this point, I'll make 20. I'll take 200. I take 400 of all of these residuals. It's just more of the same. Cool. What are we waiting for? We are waiting for, yeah, lots of stuff. And this one will finally be a different number, less than. This is just one that it just has to work, and it just has to continue working all the time. So that is now working, except it's not working. It is really up here that we have the issue. All of this. Please. They are not fast enough. Why are you not working? You're working for processor boards. Okay. Alright, that's fair enough. Processor boards. just have this kind of idea. If I don't know if it makes sense or not. I kind of like this one. Yeah, something like this. Just take one. Not that it really matters. They are fast enough as it is. What speed are they? They are speed 31. Psh, whatever. This one's pretty damn fast. Fortunately, I can't speed module any of this. So that's the one. Do I have any? Oh yes, I do. Then let's actually mark these for completion. Here. All of them. I have 3. They're plus 40%? Really? Plus 40? Is this plus 35? Yeah, okay. 40 is, it's pretty good, but it's especially good considering that it's on everything. Or it's one of 6. I should probably do the same for speed, though it's less important. Speed is actually fine for now. I don't need to. But productivity is just pure magic. Now the idea is, I mean, all of this, what are you waiting for? You're waiting for pollution cleaning. Going up here, what are we doing? We are, yeah, they're all working. They're all trying to work as fast as they can. It's fine. Let's go over and look at the modules just to make sure that they are actually producing. Here, this guy, how are we doing? You are the bottleneck, so get on with it. I will compensate for your bottleneck by jamming a module here. Boom, for work faster. How much faster did that get? That got a bit faster, 13.6. I will now also, there's one thing that somehow has escaped me. And that is insulating wire. I have not built that yet here, which is kind of strange. Where's the insulating wire? There it is. That just needs rubber. And if I just search for rubber, that is produced in a something something. This is also interesting because that's some electric metal mixing. But what if I instead built 1, 2, 3, and that's tungsten wheels, and it is tungsten. Okay, so I need more tungsten. Tungsten plate, nice. And that tungsten plate. 1, 2. Ah, those tungsten gear wheels are so expensive, but that's okay. I can find it here, maybe? No. Here? That's 2, 3, or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can take these there, and then I can actually, you know what, maybe I should also have those Mark IV still available. Just nice to know that I have options. Hold on. Yeah, I want to get those because I need electric metal mixing. So let's just cap the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that did not disappear. That sucks. Okay. Yeah, that's the whole point of taking that. And I will need one more, and that's rubber. So copy this guy. Put you over here, except for that one. I also do not like the fact that I am using slow. Copy, paste. Nope. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. And this one is also a bit annoying that it's a slow one. Bad one. Here. This will be rubber. Got it. What is actually requesting? Oh, resin. Resin is not a problem, is it? I don't think so. And rubber. Copy, paste, paste, and again, fix it one more time. There. So these are now producing exactly what I need. Yep, perfect. And that makes it possible for me to make electric wires. That can be just nice and easy done up here. And again, I need those stupid slow. Yep. This one will be insulated wire. That one. Copy, paste, paste, paste. And there's a reason why, and the reason for doing insulated wire, despite the fact that it's not really used for very much, is actually, wow, there, is that it's used for beacons. And Mark III beacons would be fun. Indeed, very fun. Yep, that works. And at this point, oh, are you coming to me? Oh, yes, you are. Thank you. I now have 24 of those. Magical. Now the question is then, where do I want them? I think where I want them is actually... It is actually like here. Actually not these guys. I'll just downgrade, so that has to be done manually. Here. And the reason for that is that these guys are definitely used. It's these three actually that I need the most. And the most critical. But if I have now 240% productivity, let's just look at it how it goes. 1, 2, 3. I like. And I will then have... It looks just so old-fashioned, the fact that I don't have the green ones. Everything should be green, and green's a nice color. Good for the eyes. That one. Boom. And no, not you. And you will be... You'll be taking module Mark 3. Copy, paste, 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 right? And paste. Whoa, that's a lot of things that we need. I have no idea what's going on. Let's beacon MK2, beacon MK3. Copy, paste, paste. There. Is everything here possible to deliver? No, not titanium. And somehow not beacons MK2. Oh, that's because it's already there. Okay, so titanium is not possible. Insulated wire. Why not insulated wire? Didn't I get it? Oh, it's there. It's there. It's already 4,000 of it. Holy moly. Okay, and the rubber is coming. And perfect. Is anyone picking something up here? Why not? That is insulated wire. This is lack of insulated wire. Oh, it's already there. Okay, so it's only the titanium plate, which is something I can just request here. That seems like this one is perfectly fine. I'll just request titanium. Just casually take 20,000 titanium plate. Test here, nope. And those have been those. Actually, I don't need this anymore. It cannot be needed anymore because there's nothing in it. So what I can do is just ditch it. Wow. get this out of the way. And back into the rotation. It's really cool that I now have my Mark 8 productivity modules. That is just the epitome of Bob's mods, to be perfectly honest. And that just goes in there, and that one goes in there. How are you doing? You are not doing anything because you're not having a metal catalyst carrier found. You are getting this part there. These are the ones I really have to work on. What are we missing? It's integrated electronics, which is then kind of again a way for me to say that might be the one that I need more than anything else. There. So now that's fully booked, fully. Probably not the right place to do this. I think it's actually way better to do it on the upstream or the upstream items. Well, now they're there. Let's have a look here. Nothing is working. This is the one that's stuck. Why are you stuck? What are you missing? You're missing pollution cleaning processor board. Yeah, okay. So it's the processor board. I'm gonna let this run for a while between sessions, and then when I come back, we will hopefully be much better off. But we have now the magical Mark 8 productivity modules, which gives 240% productivity. Pretty neat. And with that, thank you very much for joining. I'll be seeing you next time. Cheers.